Hi everyone, Dean here with Sirius Software. The car wrap industry is continuously growing, and almost every sign and graphics company out there offers the service of vehicle wrap and installation. One factor that is tedious and time-consuming for these companies is estimating the project. I'm going to show you a simple, fast, and easy way to estimate these projects in a matter of minutes. Let's get started. Take a few seconds and cruise over the screen. Okay, let's start at the top. First, we'll enter in the quantity. How many? Next, we'll pick the machine that we're going to print the media on, as well as the resolution. Next, we'll pick the vehicle. Notice I have a category called Standards, but keep in mind, you can load in your vehicle specific to a category, be it Ford, Chevy, and so forth. The reason I pick Standards is to estimate this job very quickly. I have a select group of vehicles that I commonly wrap, be it a 2-door sedan, a 4-door pickup, a full-size SUV, and so on, already loaded in the system with the dimensions entered. So as I pick the 4-door pickup, it's going to factor in the panel sizes for the driver, the passenger, the hood, the roof, and so on. I can then select the wrap style. Is this a full wrap, a 3/4 wrap, a half wrap, or so on? Now it's just a matter of picking the print media. What media are we going to print on? In this example, let's just pick a 3M print media. And then we'll select a laminate, which will be, let's say, an 85/18. The software already knows how much your cost for your print media and your laminate is, and we already know the total area that we're printing, so you will see it's calculated a price of $1,862 just for the wrap. Now, what's next? Let's say the customer wants to add Perf. All you do is click on your Perf option. It opens up the window, and we'll select the Perf that we're going to apply. In this case, it's a 3M. Because we already entered in the 4-door pickup in the previous screen, it's going to carry over the dimensions for the driver, passenger, and rear window, as you can see here. So we come up with a total price of $386 for the Perf. Now that we've added the Perf, let's say the customer wants this installed. So we'll simply click on the installation window, and we'll enter in the details. It's going to carry over the quantity, which is 1. Where are we installing it? Maybe in our shop, or it could be the customer's location. It's going to bring over the details from the previous screen, that it was a 4-door pickup. It's going to bring over the area, and what you can simply do is factor in what do you charge per square foot. Maybe it's $375, maybe it's $450, maybe it's $550, maybe it's $275. In this case, let's use $375. As we enter in the price per square foot on the cost, we can then enter in any travel time or additional install time that we think it may take, which would just add in additional factors. Now, let's just say we were outsourcing the installation. We would leave these factors up here above blank, enter in how many we're outsourcing, the cost of what it's costing you to have it installed, and then you could simply enter in a multiplier to mark it up accordingly. Now that we've added the installation, we now have a completed product. We now have the print, we have the Perf, and we have the installation. I'll click OK, and you will see how it's built this out in reference to the print, the Perf, and the installation, giving us a total price to produce this job of roughly $3,000. We can now simply save this as an estimate, and now that the estimate is saved, you can email this directly to your customer. Here is a print preview of what your customer will receive.